Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we have sy, sy. They are discrete number 1. So we can use about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vs. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by s. This one we have number 1, so we just have only v. This is about the product rule of derivative. Y we change by vs. This one we change by this one. Next, we simplify s, and s. Next, I will put this one go to the right, and we divide both sides by 3 plus v. Next, v I will put on the right. So negative and negative I will put on the left. Next, we do common denominator. V multiplied by number 3 and v in here. So number 5 plus number 3, we have number 8. And we put v square in here. Next, this one that is about identities. That is about v plus 4 to the power of 2. Now I will put this one go to the left. The s and s go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Because we have v, so I will put number 4 go to the left. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to dv. So this one we change by u. V we change by this one. dv we change by du. 3 minus number 4, we have negative number 1. So u divided by u square, we have 1 over u. And the next one we have negative 1 over u square. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. and the second one that is about positive 1 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The interaction of this one, that is about this one. And I will put about c. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. Now we have the condition. That means when s equal to number 1, y equals to negative number 3. So I will put number 1 in here. Negative number 3 in here. So this one, we have ln number 1. ln number 1 equals to number 0. This one 0. This one, we have number 1. So if we simplify everything, we have negative number 1 in here. So c equals to positive number 1. After we put negative number 1, go to the right. And now we put number 1 cone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.